G'day guys, welcome back to the Werribee River. So this morning I've been down here with my mates Dean and Jason, and we've been using topwater lures, and there's a bit of a theme going in this video today, and it's the successes and the failures when using topwater lures. So enjoy. That was a hit. Yep. Yep, straight away. Little EP. There we go, guys. First up straight away. Nice EP. I have not caught an EP, God, since early in the year. How good's that? Good way to start the day. Let's try to get this hook out without wearing one. And there we go. There we go, guys. Beautiful little EP this morning. Straight away, we've got a nice little buff here under the tree, so we'll get him back. Off you go, buddy. Yeah. How good was that straight away? Did you get it? Good man. Yep, I've just busted off another one. I'm getting out from under here, mate. Yeah. Well, there you go. There you go, mate. Yep. Good job. Nice EP. There you go, mate. First one on top, eh? Happy days. Well, you can keep flicking under here if you want. You want some pliers?
I've got in the bag, but he's only got one.
Is that an EP or is that a bass? Oh, it's an EP.
No, it didn't go hard enough.
No, they don't. You know basically off the strike what it is, you know? Geez, I thought we were going to be getting cracked every few casts the way we were going at first, Dean. We got under that tree, we both got cracked, and I think you got cracked twice actually.
Twice, yeah, I was snagged up.
Yeah, snagged up on one of the buffs and missed it.
Because your lucky charms rocked up, mate, that's why.
Ha ha ha. Go home, Jason.
Right.
Oh, there you go.
Little EP, I think.
Yeah, you got an EP there, brother.
Yeah.
Looked like you might have snagged him or something.
Yeah.
Oh, I might be tangled on it.
Yeah,
Good work.
Yeah, just our hook.
No, he's not. He's just tangled in the leader. There you go, mate.
EP, yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. There you go.
Some pliers.
Yeah, I actually bought some this time. But
Oh, you got some?
Yeah.
They're in the car, aren't they?
Little. No, in your pocket.
Oh, in your pocket?
Yeah. Little one.
Little EP, mate. You got to be happy with that.
Yeah, it's good. At least they're a bit active this morning.
Yeah.
I mean, it's no bass. I mean, look at that. I'm in bass corner and I've got a fucking EP. Oh.
Of course.
Typical. The EP king. That bass still fucking eludes me. Nah, that's good though. He's alright. He didn't know he's not a bass.
He thinks he's a bass, mate. He thinks he is.
He thinks he is. You're in the wrong corner, buddy.
When he grows up.
Yeah. 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 Grow up, I want to be a bass.
So that bass would just about eat that one too.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
Yeah.
Crack a bass, yeah.
Whoa, you right?
Oh, yeah.
Off he goes.
Yep.
Up.
Oh, good. Awesome.
Easy release. There you go.
Sir.
Yep, sounds like Jason's on, and he would be yelling at me like that because it's probably a bass.
Please tell me it's a bass. Are you kidding?
Brother.
Oh my
God! Yeah!
About time.
Brother!
Oh, first bass on top water ever. I'm gonna go get the tape measure. I got to measure the first one, man.
Yeah. So how about we get a measurement on the rod and we can.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Better off probably getting them.
Tape in the boot, man. Yeah.
Yeah. We don't want to take too long.
It's come off anyway.
I'll get you a photo, mate.
Oh.
How you feeling?
Mate, having a huge monkey off my back, man, like, wow. Finally, after months and months and months and months.
Let's get a good look at him. I'll just get my camera off here.
Yeah.
So.
Oh my God.
First bass for Jason, confirmed. That's a beautiful fish too. Look how fat he is through the body.
Yeah, look at the colour, the
Yep.
blue across the top here.
Yep.
He's beautiful. Yeah, finally. Beautiful, man.
Well
awesome.
done, mate.
Absolutely happy with that. Between there.
Yep.
And I locked up and he was going to go straight to the timber and I just had to lock up and just keep dragging and hoping I didn't pin him.
Yep. Just be gentle with him, mate. Just try and get him in as gentle as you can.
Hey, woo. See you fellas, thanks very much. Thanks for being my first. Away he goes. Oh, awesome, man. Thanks very much.
No worries, mate. Awesome.
Oh. Woo.
Oh, right by it. Come on. Oh, oh. Oh, yep. Oh. Oh, that might be a bass. Oh, it's got some fight. Yeah, I think it's a bass. Ooh, he's going around the tree. Come on, come back. Oh, lost him. Damn it. Just lost a bass.
I saw the...
See it go? Yeah, like 3 cracks at it, yeah. Yeah. I saw him splash and I flicked it right by him and he's got onto it immediately and cracked it like 3 times. Geez, on the bloody 1 to 3 kilo noodle rod, mate. Holy crap. They've got some go. I forgot how hard they fight on the light. Oh, just under the tree. Or was that you? No, not you. Oh, that was a good hit too.
Missed him again.
Oh, I missed him, yeah.
Bugger.
God, it scared the crap out of me. Come on, come back, come back. That was a bass hit, that. I don't think that was an EP. There you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Not too successful as far as numbers, but plenty of activity. So if you like this, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Oh, also, congratulations, Jason. You no longer have the monkey on your back, mate.